Hey everybody, I'm going to show y'all today in about 60 seconds or less how the 4-stroke combustion engine works. This is the carburetor. Mixes the air and the gas together. They get sucked in through this tube into the combustion chamber when you pull the cord or whatever, and through this intake valve into the combustion chamber. After I took the head off, it gets sucked into here as you spin the flywheel with the cord, and then it gets compressed. At the same time that happens, the spark gets ignited, or the spark ignites the fuel air mixture. And what makes the spark ignite is this thing here. It's an armature, it's a coil of sorts. When this magnet on this flywheel passes in front of it, it creates a spark that mixes with the air and gas and pressure, makes an explosion for the third cycle, which is the power stroke, which pushes the piston back that way and continues to turn the motor and spinning the blade or whatever. And at the same time that happens, as these two valves, the intake and the exhaust valve, move, the fourth stroke is the exhaust stroke that blows out all the carbon dioxide and junk out of the combustion chamber and through the exhaust, which is this exhaust valve here. So out it goes. So hopefully everybody understands how it works now. And this is the oil. It just helps lubricate everything so it doesn't freeze up.